How to turn off airplane mode in Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly click on Wi-Fi option at your taskbar. Once you click in this menu, go to airplane mode. Right click on airplane mode and go to settings. Once the setting application open, here you can see the option of toggle on and toggle off of airplane mode. If it is on, simply click on turn off. Now once you turn on airplane mode on your device, you can see that the network and your Bluetooth will be turned off. After turning airplane mode off, you can simply go to the Wi-Fi connection. At the bottom in your taskbar, click on Wi-Fi option, turn it on and again connect to your available network. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.